Hi, this video is to show you how to do customer matching in SQL Sync App for Unicart. So firstly, what you'll need to do is to go into matching and click on customer supplier matching. From here, you are able to see all of the stores that have been integrated or linked into your Unicart. As you can see from here, the SQL accounting customer code is still empty, and I will show you what it looks like if you haven't performed the customer matching properly. I'll go into sales invoice, select any of the order and click add new, and what you can see from here, the customer code is showing the default customer code. And if you do not set up the default customer code, this part right here will actually be empty. And you might be wondering, where can I enter the default customer code? So for that, it can be found in settings, general settings, and this is the part where you enter the default customer code. Now let us get back to perform the customer matching. What I'll need to do is to go into SQL accounting, click on maintain customer, go into the Lazada customer, copy the Lazada code and go back into matching, customer matching, look for Lazada, enter the Lazada code in here. As for Shopee, I'll just go back to SQL accounting and then copy the code for Shopee. Go back here, enter the Shopee code into the system and click save. Once that is done, right, when you go back to sales invoice for this Shopee order, when I click add new, you can see the Shopee customer code showing up correctly. And this is how you perform customer matching in SQL Sync App. Thank you.